This is Big, Medium, and Small Plate Challenge. It's going to be a fun video. The guys will eat meals in different sizes, but there's an important rule. You need to eat everything. Let's see how they handle it. It's going to be exciting. Stay tuned. Wow, a huge bottle of honey jelly. And it's rainbow colored with Skittles. Nathan, you've got a medium bottle of Hubba Bubba flavor. And Judy has a tiny bottle of honey jelly with Fanta. Let's start with Judy. Come on, girl.
Of course. Let's try it. But there's barely anything. Definitely not enough. But it's so delicious. How sweet. Whoa!
Excuse me.
Great. Now it's my turn. Opening the bottle and squeezing it out. Weird. I can't do it. Am I too weak?
Nathan, you need to work out.
You're right. Whoa! I can feel myself getting stronger. Girls, there we go. Ha! Look at my muscles.
Yeah, that looks cool.
I can definitely handle this bottle now. Squeezing it out. Giving it a try. How delicious! I don't just have jelly. It's also a bubble gum. And here's my bubble. I've got a balloon on a stick. For Judy and Lillian. But I've got a better idea. Let's pop their balloons with a needle. It's gonna be fun. The second one? Ha! You guys are totally bubblegum.
Nathan, that was mean.
I'm gonna blow up my bottle.
You don't mind, do you?
There you go, friend.
Oh, Nathan, watch out. There's gonna be revenge from the girls. It's going to explode.
Where is everyone? What is that sound? Whoa! I'm covered in jelly! What have you guys done?
Nathan, look at you! Wow, this is so cool! It's so yummy! Like slime!
Ew, it stinks in here! I've got a tiny piece of cheese with mold! How disgusting! Here's some perfume! Is it better now? Yep! Oh, the flavor is terrible! Ugh, I almost threw up! Nathan, your turn! I've got a medium piece of cheese with mold. Wait a minute! An idea! A disappearing trick! Voila! There's no cheese anymore!
What? Where did you put it?
What is that stink? Judy, can you feel that? Yeah, it's coming from Nathan. I should have taken a shower. Okay, I was hiding this.
Well, Nathan, good luck with your cheese. Moving on. Lillian, are you ready for this giant piece of cheese? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. But the smell made me sick. An idea. I can close my nose. That way I don't feel this terrible stink. Oh, but my stomach can definitely not take this. Ew, Lillian, that is disgusting! Delicious!
And no more stink.
Oh no! There it is!
Oh, the guys feel sick too. Wow, that's a tiny cone of ice cream. Judy's got a medium size. Not bad. But what about Nathan? Is that the biggest ice cream in the world? It's gigantic. Come on, Lillian. You go first. Okay, I'll eat it with a spoon. Trying it? Delicious. And I don't need a spoon. Nice. Oh! Oops. I dropped it. That's okay. How delicious.
Well, you're gonna eat it forever! Your turn, Judy.
Well, I'm happy to eat it. This is so yummy. I like it, and I don't want to rush. But Nathan definitely doesn't want to wait. Oh no, not again. Nathan is melting Judy's ice cream. She's not gonna be thrilled. Why is my ice cream melted? It's still delicious. I can eat it, well, drink it, like a milkshake. Whipped cream on top, a straw, and I'm gonna enjoy it. Nathan, thanks for the idea.
Whoa. It is my turn. My spoon is stuck. Come on. Oh yeah, it worked. What else is in there? We need to get it out. Whoa, another scoop of ice cream. Join the pink one. Let's make a snowman out of ice cream. Some eyes and a nose and a head. It turned out great.
That's for sure. But the girls really want to eat it. The ice cream fight is about to start. Watch out.
You girls are not right here.
You're throwing ice cream at my best friend? Oh, guys, calm down. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's going to be super exciting, so stay tuned.